Black football. Black football. I'm going to grab my other case and we'll get going with black football. Let's see. Alright. Black football. Terry, you're absolutely right. So you might be coming back. Black football, guys. Good luck. I don't remember much thoroughly exciting in the first enter that we did last night of this. Not to say there wasn't, but I just don't remember much. Black football, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good luck, guys. Panini black football. Got Julius Peppers for the Bears. Julius Peppers for the Bears. Got Champ Bailey. Broncos, $3.99. Champ Bailey. Andrew Wiggins had a good look. Got Calvin Johnson, the Lions, $3.99. Got DJ Fluker, the Chargers, $3.99. Got DeMontre Moore, the Giants, $3.99. Got Texans, Alan Bonner, $3.99. Houston Texans. Got a Colt out of 49, Jack Doyle. Jack Doyle for the Colts out of 49. Jack Doyle. Got a two-colored rookie auto patch. $2.99. Two-colored rookie auto patch. $2.99. Two-colored. Going to Denver Broncos, Monty Ball. Monty Ball for the Denver Broncos. Two-colored. $2.99. Got a single-colored out of 25. Single colored out of 25. Got a Nile Davis. Kansas City Chiefs out of 25. Nile Davis for the Chiefs. Got out of 199. 199 for the Patriots. 199 for the Patriots. Josh Boyce. Josh Boyce. Patriots. 199. Got a Ram out of 25. Ram out of 25. Chris Gibbons. Chris Gibbons for the Rams. Got a hold of the eBay 101, number 1325. Got his jersey number there. 1325. Chris Gibbons. Got a base jersey out of $2.99. Base jersey, $2.99. I'm starting to think that the only base jerseys in here are both the Manning brothers, Eli Manning and Peyton Manning. Eli Manning, looks like we get at least both of them in every enter we do. Eli Manning for the Giants. And a jumbo jersey out of 99. Jumbo jersey out of 99 going to the Dolphins of Cameron Wake. Cameron Wake. No, not really. Cameron Wake. Probably the biggest two we hit was a Puig base jersey to 125 and a Pete Rose auto. That was about it. So, you did not miss much in pastime, dude. I will. Box number 2. Box number 2. Got Cardinals, Andre Ellington. Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. Got Houston Texans, $3.99. J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt, Texans. And we got a 101 plate. Vernon Davis for the 49ers. Vernon Davis, 1/1 plate for the 49ers. Vernon Davis. Vernon Davis, plate. Got a $3.99 Michael Rivera, Raiders. Got Steelers rookie, $3.99 Jarvis Jones. Got a Chicago Bear, $3.99 Julius Peppers. Got a out of 49 London Fletcher for the Redskins. London Fletcher. Got a 2-colored auto patch, $2.99. 2-colored auto patch, $2.99. Cowboys, Terrence Williams. Terrence Williams, Dallas Cowboys. The plate was Vernon Davis. Vernon Davis was the plate. Got out of 99. I will, and if we don't do it, I'll send it back. Got a Cowboys out of 99. Gavin Escobar. Gavin Escobar out of 99. Panini Black, yes, we're doing it right now. Gavin Escobar, 99. Got out of 199 for the Dolphins. Dolphins, 199. Ryan Spadola. Ryan Spadola, 199. Got out of 99 going to the Saints. Saints out of 99. Mark Ingram. Saints, Mark Ingram. Got a base jersey card. Out of 299, Matt Ryan. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Matt Ryan. And a jumbo jersey out of 99. Jumbo jersey. Jumbo jersey out of 99. Browns, DeQuell Jackson. DeQuell Jackson for the Browns. Out of 99. Box 3. I think that is complete. That is a stat they just put up in the KU K-State game. That is complete domination. KU has won 48 of the last 51 games against K-State. They're 48-3 in the last 51 games against K-State. Darren McFadden for Raiders. Got a $3.99 Champ Bailey, the Broncos. Champ Bailey. Another 101 plate. So 2 plates, back-to-back boxes. This one is Kansas City Chiefs. Derek Johnson. Kansas City Chiefs, Derek Johnson, 101 plate. Got a $3.99 Kawan Short. Got a going to the Panthers. $3.99 Tavares King. Tavares King, Carolina Panthers, $3.99. Got a $3.99 Vernon Davis, 49ers. Got out of 49 going to the Colts, to Rick Rogers. Colts to Rick Rogers, 49. Got a nice 4-colored rookie auto patch out of 99. 4-colored rookie auto patch. Got a Dolphins, a Mike Gillislee. Mike Gillislee out of 99 for the Dolphins. Got a rookie signature material card 214 Jordan Reed. 214 Jordan Reed, Redskins. Jordan Reed for the Redskins, card 214 Jordan Reed. Got out of 199 going to the Colts. 199 for the Colts. Jack Doyle. Jack Doyle for the Colts. 199. Got out of 199 right behind it going to the Patriots. $1.99 going to the Patriots. Grab some more cases. That one there. Got Patriots. We can do some Bowman draft tonight. $1.99. Kimbrel Tompkins. Kimbrel Tompkins. Patriots. And another jumbo jersey. Titans. Jumbo jersey out of 99. Justin Hunter. Titans. We can do some Bowman draft. I'm going to do a half case of Bowman draft. That's going to be about it tonight. Box number 4. Got Green Bay Packers, Jonathan Franklin. So we just need one more, I think. One more in Bowman draft. $3.99, Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Got $3.99, Doug Martin and the Bucks. Doug Martin and the Bucks. Got $3.99, Luke Jokel, Jags. Got $3.99, Nick Casa, Raiders. Got $3.99, Cameron Wake, Dolphins. Got out of 49, Vernon Davis, 49ers. Got out of 49, this one's not too bad. Out of 49, going to the Green Bay Packers, guy named Eddie Lacy. Eddie Lacy out of 49. Nelly, what's going on? Eddie Lacy out of 49 for the Pack. Got out of 10, I bet Packers guy, I wish this was flipped around. This one out of 10. Rams, Stedman Bailey. Stedman Bailey got one spot left. Bowman draft, random divisions. Stedman Bailey out of 10. Got $1.99 for the 49ers. 49ers, $1.99. Nick Moody. Nick Moody, 49ers. Got a base jersey, $2.99. Base jersey, $2.99. Going to the Rams, Sam Bradford. Huh. And that was quite a while ago. We have Sam Bradford. And $2.99. $2.99 Jaguars, Denard Robinson. Denard Robinson, yes. So Butch, you take the last one then. Box number 5. Box 5. Any good Steelers? There's not been. Box 5, black football. Got Antonio Gates, the Superchargers. Patriots, $3.99. Logan Mankins. I'd have that card up there, if not any. Got $3.99. Andre Johnson, Texans. Got $3.99. Zach Sudfield, Jets. Falcons, $3.99. Robert Alford. Got $3.99. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Got out of 25. Frank Gore, 49ers. Frank Gore, 49ers. Got a 2-colored auto patch out of 25. 5. Get a bunch of lower numbered autos today in black. Out of 25, a Steeler 2-colored Le'Veon Bell. There's your Steeler Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers, numbered 19 of 25. Le'Veon Bell, 2-colored for the Steelers. Got a Shadow Box auto. Shadow Box. Numbered out of 99, Bills, Robert Woods. Robert Woods for the Bills, out of 99. Got out of 199, going to the Patriots. Patriots, Sierra Wood, 199. Patriots, Sierra Wood, 199. Got a 3-colored patch out of 25. 3-colored patch out of 25. Got the Ravens, Joe Flacco. Joe Flacco for the Ravens at 25. And last one tonight, going to finish with a base jersey going to the Steelers. Base jersey for the Steelers. Got Marquise Wheaton, $2.99. Marquise Wheaton, Steelers, $2.99. Marquise Wheaton. Finishing up Panini Black.